To understand what's happening during a chemical reaction, you need to visualize that atoms, ions, and molecules are being rearranged. This means existing chemical bonds must be broken and new ones are then formed. But why do atoms rearrange in the first place? At this point you don't need to know, but let's look at this example. This molecule is methane. It has 4 hydrogen atoms chemically bonded to a central carbon atom. This is the oxygen molecule, composed of 2 oxygen atoms. If these 2 molecules react with the help of heat or a spark, because this provides a bit of a kick of energy, they produce, which is represented by this arrow, the carbon dioxide molecule, which is 2 oxygen atoms bonded to a carbon, and the water molecule, which you should be familiar with. Everything on the left-hand side of the arrow are known as reactants, and everything on the right of the arrow are products. Because matter is neither created nor destroyed, we must have the same number and kind of atoms on each side of the arrow in the equation. 1 carbon, 1 carbon. We have 4 hydrogen atoms here, but only 2 hydrogen atoms here. Already this doesn't add up. Now you can't just add atoms, but you can change quantities of whole molecules. So if we add another water molecule here, we now have equal amounts of hydrogen atoms on either side of the arrow. 2 oxygen atoms here, but 4 on the product side. So what do? Add another oxygen molecule on the reactant side. So now there's 4 oxygen atoms on the reactant side and 4 oxygen atoms on the product side. This means it's balanced and satisfies the law of conservation of mass and proportions. As a word equation, it's represented like this. As a symbol equation, it looks like this. These subscripts represent the number of the atoms in the molecule. So this means this, and this means this. This big number represents the quantity of the molecule. So this 2 represents 2 oxygen molecules. So overall, in order to combust methane gas with oxygen gas, you need 1 part methane gas to 2 parts oxygen gas, which will produce 1 part carbon dioxide and 2 parts water. Try balancing this one. Too slow.